This one feels extra special to me because it's made right here in Wanakee, Wisconsin, practically in my own backyard. And around here, gardening is just part of who we are. I grew up with a love for it because it was passed down from my father and my grandmother. So every time I'm out in the garden, it feels like I'm carrying a little bit of that family tradition with me. Today, Jim is opening up 4 bags and topping off my Vego garden raised bed that we put in last year and had such wonderful success with. Over the winter, the soil settled down a bit, so we're freshening it up before I plant my cabbages, onions, and broccoli. And I won't just be using it here. I'll also be using this mix to top off all my flower planters and my 6 other raised beds too, which makes it such a practical staple to have on hand this time of year. I love that this raised bed mix is so versatile and easy to work with for both vegetables and flowers. There's something so comforting about using a garden product that feels close to home and rooted in Wisconsin. It just makes the whole process feel even more meaningful. And my home sweet home tip is that topping off your beds and planters in early spring is one of the simplest ways to refresh your garden and set yourself up for beautiful growing seasons. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission if you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps keep me creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.